Clap 700 pertains three specifications. First of all, it is a structural grade plywood 10701. Secondly, it is having fire retardant plywood as per IS 5509. Thirdly, it is 710. Nothing can be done without 710. So now how is having its the fire retardant property? I will show you. As per specification, this ply should have 2.5 minutes per mm, but it is, as it is 19 mm, it should take to get burned thorough and thorough 47 minutes. But our plywood is taking more than 1 hour. It gets only 2 or 3 layers burned. Here is the sample which took about 66 minutes, and this sample burned only 2 layers, that is 57 minutes. So now it is more than 50 minutes. So it will be more than 60 minutes. When you burn it for 1 hour also, this will not be thorough and thorough burnt. Second one is flammability test. Suppose एक घर में आग लगा, दूसरा घर में आग लगने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. So here is the gap of 15 minutes. One sample is having flame, so it will burn, and the transfer of heat should take about half an hour as per specification 5509. Our sample takes about 39 minutes, and here this sample is 38 minutes. Now what should be there? This burning, while it is transferred, this should burn at a stretch for 1 minute. If it does not burn 1 minute, so that is good. So now sample is not burned, it has not catch fire, ignition is not there yet. E0 level means, you see, E0 contains 30 gram per 100 gram of resin, and E1 is 8 gram per 100 gram, and E2 is 30 gram per 100 gram. So in ppm means parts per million, million means 10 lakhs, so is only 0.05. When it is 0.5, it is considered zero level emission. Now it is the solution. It does not have any color, and this one is E1 level, it is little bit yellowish, and this one is E2, it is this one yellowish, and it is having respiratory tract infection, eczema, skin irritation, and in course of time it may cause also carcinogenic, that is cancer. So we should be careful that stable made of plywoods, cot made of plywoods. So in course of time they will be, their lungs, their stomach, their heart may be or will be affected. So we should be careful of it. In India only we are making emission or zero emission plywood. That is the only play of chemicals only. We are using some chemicals in resin which makes it emission free. How is it made? Suppose these are our plywood small pieces. So now it is boiled with toluene. A chemical is there. As toluene is heavier than formaldehyde, so formalin is evaporated and condensed. This vapor is condensed, and we are collecting drop by drop this formalin. In case of our plywood, that is 700 only, 700 Clap Plus. This is the reagent, ammonium acetate solution. You just put drop, it will give this color. Then second one is this chemical, acetone solution. If this is the testing result, how much formaldehyde contains in it. All these three have been tested. These are market sample, market plywood, which is having E2, and E1 is our normal plywood, marine and other plywoods, and E0 is our 700. So we should be careful of, nowadays actually health is the principal consideration of everything. So now we should be very much careful for health. So we should go for this one, E0 level. I will request every manufacturer to go for this E0 level solution, formalin solution. Thank you. In order to test whether this material is having any overlap or any gap, we cut it through CNC machine and found there is no gap at all. No gap at all in this material because of using full panel 8x4 and full core 8x4 compost core and compost panel. Secondly, we used our own drilling machine in the workshop. and in order to test whether it is having any gap or overlap. So we found nothing. So this is our satisfactory that our material does not have any gap or overlap as usual plywood is having.